We made it to Friday, and today you're going to learn how to draw this crazy creature. Could be a dinosaur, lizard, a weird giraffe, but I'll show you how to draw the shape of his body first using your hand. So you're going to lay your hand out and join your thumb and all of your fingers at the top. So that points out. If you're using a marker, be careful not to get it on your arm. And just trace it carefully around. It's okay if you have a few bumps at the top. It gives more character to this guy. And there you have his body and his head. Draw his eyes. Just two ovals at the top here. Fill the pupils into the bottom, those little dark spots that he sees out of. And then the mouth, you have a few choices. I decided to do a crazy mouth that kind of went down and curled up. And then you're going to draw some pointy teeth. And then as far as spikes on his head and back, come up and come down, make some points, almost like you're drawing the letter M over and over again, and make it smaller as you go down his back. Finally, if you want to add some spots on his back, you can do that. And this is the part where you get to be really creative. You can use different colors to color some of the spots in. I only have two different colors with my markers, but you get the idea. And maybe this creature is enjoying a nice spring day, so you can put a flower on the side here with a stem that goes down and then two loops to complete it. You guys have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing what kind of drawings you do.